Okay, I decorate a table for Thanksgiving. I have the pumpkin theme and the leaves theme. So on the tablecloth looks like this with the pumpkins. And I have the napkins. I got little acorns. The acorns and the pumpkins. I got the pumpkin and the other pumpkins. I got the acorns and the leaves and some more pumpkins. I got this fall glass. The fall leaves came from Dollar Tree. I got another fall glass came from Dollar Tree with the leaf on it. This came from Burlington's. Terrence bought me that 2 years ago with the leaves in it. And it's air freshener. It smells good. I got this sign. This came from Dollar Tree. This came from Dollar Tree. The pumpkin pie recipe. That came from all this stuff came from Dollar Tree. This came from Dollar Tree. The two glasses, Home Sweet Home, that came from Dollar Tree. The plates came from Walmart. Tablecloth Walmart. Napkins Walmart. And these leaves I got from Walmart a couple of years ago. And I have them on the bottom of the table. You can see they hang down like that. But yeah, I just want to show y'all my Thanksgiving table. And I did this myself. And I really actually like it. Comment down below. Give me some ideas for next year. Should I do the same thing or different? What did y'all do decorating y'all table for Thanksgiving? Give this video a big thumbs up. Tell your friends and family to subscribe. Please leave a comment and hit the thumbs up, because I be looking for the comments and the thumb button. It'll help out a lot. Thank you. Bye.